truck.
Wait. Watch out. Can you hold it?
Rick.
There you guys are. Hi, Chris.
Hi, how are you?
I'm just walking. I'm on my second video already.
Oh, wow.
You're on. Don't worry. I've caught you.
Is this the one?
What's the orange one? Anna, you let your brother go first.
There's signs. Not right now.
They're cute, and I caught them. They will be on YouTube. If you ask Bob, you can get a copy of it, I'm sure.
Wait. Smile. Yes. You can. Say cheese, Mom.
Someone who was so excited.
That's why videos work best.
Where's he going?
He's looking at the one next to the door.
Oh, I see.
They're complimentary.
Wait,
Each of you guys can take one thing.
Take one thing only. It didn't take her long.
Diana, hurry up.
Are you representing Whitey?
Whitey, yes.
The last 2 weeks you guys have told me out twice.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that, but thanks for
No.
calling.
Was Pat here by any chance?
Pat is actually at the shop fixing one of the other
Oh,
cars,
okay. All right, say hello to him. It's Milos is my name.
Oh, okay.
You remember me?
Yeah,
Did I
you were
talk
up
to
on
you?
you were up on Crystal Lake Road.
Yeah, that's me.
Yep, I'm the girl who answered the phone.
Right, and then the next time you told me I lost a coolant line. So anyway, thank you for your help.
Very welcome.
Take care.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You can eat your stuff, guys.
My dad, I don't care if we don't go to another truck, we gotta go.
Hey, Floyd, how are you? I finally got you. Is that live music? Is that live music? It is? Is it live music?
Yeah.
Oh, it is? Is there a band back there? Oh, I got a video. You're on video, by the way. Hey, if you ask Bob, you can get a copy of this. Okay? Hey, Derek, how are you? Don't stop.